Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see simple and tasty chocolate chip cookies. Let's see the ingredient. To make this chocolate chip cookie, we need 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of unsalted butter. I am using 2 kinds of sugar, half a cup of light brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar. 3/4 cup of chocolate chip. I am using milk chocolate. You can use semi-sweet. This is a mixture of half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 whole egg and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. I am using a stand mixer. You could use a hand mixer if you want. Start by adding butter. Have that at room temperature so that it will be easy to mix. Brown sugar. If you want, you can use dark brown sugar. I am using light brown sugar and the white sugar. Cream those together till it's combined. And add the egg. Don't add the egg directly from fridge. Just have that at room temperature before adding. Stir it together. Don't mix it too much. Scrape down the sides of the bowl in between so that the mixture will be evenly mixed. After this, give it a quick stir. Now I am adding a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And mix again. You can see how smooth and creamy the mixture looks. Now for the dry ingredient. In a bowl, sift the flour. This will avoid lumps. I just sifted the flour. I am adding the salt and the baking soda to it. Give a quick stir. Add the flour in 2 to 3 batches to the mixer. Now I am adding the first batch. Mix well after each addition. Now the second batch. While adding flour, always start the mixer on the low speed, because if it is faster like this, you're gonna have flour everywhere. And the last batch. Now pour in your chocolate chips. Gently mix so that it will evenly distribute throughout the bowl. And then turn off your mixer. Remove the bowl and the paddle attachment. Scrape down the sides of the bowl and smooth out the surface of the dough. Now the dough is ready. Wrap it with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the plastic wrap. Preheat your oven over 375 Fahrenheit. Now scoop the cookie dough on an ungreased cookie tray. You can use a cookie scoop or 2 teaspoons to place the cookie dough. Now the cookie dough is ready to go in the oven. Place your cookie dough in the oven at 375 for 10 to 12 minutes. There will be enough dough to make 2 dozens of cookies. Once they baked, take them off and let them cool. See how beautiful and golden brown these cookies and smells so good. You can have it warm or let it cool down and have it with milk. Store them in an airtight container for about 4 to 5 days. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.